guys, it's the Macintosh Guide and I'm back again on iPhone and Apple Watch launch day. Now, what does this mean? What do we have in today's video? Well guys, we've got the Apple Watch Ultra 2, as you can see, Apple Watch Ultra 2. And then we also have the Big Daddy iPhone 15 Pro Max, the 256 gig variant. And this video is just going to be a quick unboxing, and then I will do a later in-depth video later in the week. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy this quick video. So let's start off with the Apple Watch Ultra first. So as you guys can see, the packaging is the same as what it was last year, and everything is pretty much the same. It's not much has changed in terms of packaging wise. So let's just pull these tabs up, do a quick release, pull this one back, pull the other tab back, and then straight away we get the same booklet. So let me just move this out of the way so you guys don't see that. So we see the Apple Watch Ultra booklet. I'm pretty sure it's the same, again, just updated with the new watch faces. And yeah, just talking about the new material that it's being made out of. Now we've got two boxes. We've got the Apple Watch Ultra, which is inside this box, and then we've got the trail loop band that I ordered, which is the black and blue version. Don't even want to pronounce that, but it's hook and loop closure. So yeah, that's what the contents inside for the Apple Watch. I'm not going to open this one up for the time being. Let's look straight into opening the Apple Watch Ultra box. So you pull on the tab, you pull on the second tab, if I can get my finger in, boom, put that rubbish out of the way, and then let's experience magic together. So, oh, that actually feels lovely. Let's look at what's inside here. So we've got the standard USB-C charging cable for the Apple Watch Ultra, and then of course we've got the Apple Watch Ultra itself. Now in terms of like what it looks like, it's the same as what the last year's one was. Sorry, I was just trying to find what the plastic hook was, but I'm just going to slowly try and take this one out. I want to be as cautious as possible. You guys can already tell I'm butchering this very badly. Do I need to pull this? Yes. No, I don't. I am absolutely butchering this. I am absolutely sorry. I mean, it is what it is. I'm going to have to get it out no matter what. But this is the Apple Watch Ultra 2, and if we just do a quick comparison, I'm just going to get my normal Apple Watch Ultra out. You can see are absolutely identical. There is no difference at all. They are the same looking shape. This one slightly feels a bit lighter compared to this one, but Apple Watch Ultra 2. And we're just going to quickly unbox the Apple Watch Ultra 2 strap that I've got. So it's just, again, I love how Apple's gone with these pulley tab features. Simple pulley tab, pull it off if it doesn't get stuck on me, yeah. And then it's a simple matter of opening up just like a booklet, pulling this out, and then we see the magnificent new Apple Watch Ultra 2 strap. Now this is, as I mentioned, the blue and black trail loop one. Absolutely excited to try this one on. So yeah, let's see how it is, guys. And I will, as I mentioned, you will see the full video for this Apple Watch Ultra very, very soon on the channel. And now guys, we move on straight into the iPhone 15 Pro Max unboxing. So as you guys can see, it's an iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is the natural titanium model. And let's just pull one of the tabs off. Now, when I did this before, in the previous iPhones, you used to just be able to do, and you still can. Oh, guys, that looks absolutely magnificent. Just going to pull the phone. I'm not going to turn it on. We all know what an iPhone looks like, but guys, the camera doesn't do justice. This is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful natural titanium color. The sides, they all feel so nice. And do you know what, guys? The weight of the device, just quickly pull this USB-C, as you can see. The weight of the device is so much lighter, guys. It feels incredibly good. I love the way it feels, and I can't wait to start using this device. I'm going to shift everything over from my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and we're going to start using this one. Let's just quickly see what else is in the box. So now you get the illustrious USB-C Apple cable. It's threaded cable, so it should be good for durability. And then we should get the normal Apple stickers within this. But of course, what you guys were quickly interested in seeing is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Guys, just the design is so beautiful. This is one of the best looking smartphones I have seen in a long time, guys. This is truly magnificent. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. And guys, you will see many videos coming out this week and next week about the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Guys, I'll catch you in the next one.